yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Kman here with another reaction. Move. And today, guys, we're still at Trinidad. We buck up on a big batty girl over Trini, so we just stay go and bill, you know. Big up the Trini girls, them nice. But anyway, today we're here with Kman 6 Team T. Kman 6 get a song in MDM for react to. So we're here reacting to this one. Big up the 6 artists, them, all of them. Big up Trini artists, them, all of them same way too. You see me? So let's jump to the one and hear what the Kman office say. Let's go over here. So let's go.
Take 2, Brad.
West Bank Record, Team T, up top. Let's go.
Six dance if you chill them out, I will not give one fuck. I will love buzz gun till it them pin back.
Dig up 6 bars if you drill them out and then not give one fuck. Not one fuck was given. Ready?
Six dance if you chill them out, I will not give one fuck. I will love buzz gun till it them pin back. Kill once and my dog them just can't stop.
Man say him love bus gun till the damn pin broke. Him not talk safety pin, him not talk command pin. Firing pin him attack. That's why him attack. Him not talk blackberry pin, him attack firing pin.
Fuck, I will love buzz gun till it them pin back. Kill once and my dog them just can't stop. Shot running in your face but we just woke up.
Man say kill once and the dog them just can't stop. Like it come like tattoo. After a while it become an addiction. That's why the boss I say, yo, one time him do it, feel nice. Feel nice when shot a lodge in a flesh. Feel nice, so him can't stop do it. Yeah.
6 dance if you chill them out, I will not give one fuck. I will love buzz gun till it them pin back. Kill once and my dog them just can't stop. Shot running in your face but we just woke up. Life gone everybody call up. One in their belly dog they fall up. Storm on your base boys a hole up.
One in your belly dog fall up, brother, like suck out back juice over there, so can't move. Cramp up. Shot cramp him. Lamp him, damp him. Hey, rhyme on time. I must have rhyme them. Come on, let's go.
One in their belly dog they fall up. Storm on your base boys a hole up. We go chill on ends cause we a robot if you feel.
Drill long ends cause we are robot. We are go drill long ends, brother. Be a shot at drill here.
Storm on your base boys a hole up. We go chill on ends cause we a robot. If you feel like run you will get gunned down. And we got more shot when they clip them done.
If you feel like run, pussy, we get gunned down in a brother. Remember saying a faster than bullet, you know. You see me? And if that clip they done, we have whole it more shot. Just load up on next clip and ready again. Extra clip.
But if you feel like run, you will get gunned down. And we got more shot when they clip them done. Team that fast and not that for your tongue. And we have enough shot for your hands. Bun down, dog. Them go bad like we kill paper daily, dog. And we not
Violent. I like it.
go bad like we kill paper daily, dog. And we not care who say.
Yeah, we now wait for nightfall. We now wait for 10, 11, 12 o'clock. No, we are do it brawling 12 o'clock middle day. Middle day we are do it. We not care OC. We not care OC. Anybody want to say? You see me? You just know say you can't go give no evidence for man because you don't know say man. Get rid of the evidence quick.
Kill paper daily, dog. And we not care who say. Pass the pee in the brag boat. Boy, so we and drag out.
Pass Duppy, we not brag about. We not brag about pass Duppy, brother. When I mean knock it pan him and him drop, past news that him dead.
Pass the pee in the brag boat. Boy, so we and drag out. Girl texting sweet like star now. Life gone grave house, boy turn out. Mad move and the soul gone. Light out like roll on. See life on the line. Mad move and the soul gone. Light out like roll on. See life on the line, can't hold on. Fully done, whole team full of moron. Handpick.
Fully done, the whole team full of morons. You fucking morons. The whole team full of morons. Fully done.
Life on the line, can't hold on.
Yeah.
Fully done, whole team full of moron. Handpick, we don't act this. Bad badness, we love practice. Shotgun in the face, backflip. All of your friend dead cause of your lip.
Shotgun in your face, backflip. The force with a shot I catch you with, you go backflip, brother. All of your friend them dead because you love chat. You chat too much, you radio, you woo. You love lippy, brother. I say all of your friend them dead. You set up your friend them life with your mouth, man.
This shotgun in the face, backflip. All of your friend dead cause of your lip. John Wick killer, full clip. Car full of rifle, man, that's it. 3 man jump out, Syrian shit. Boy, stand up and freeze, easy target.
Careful a rifle. 3 man jump out, you see we and shit up yourself. Diarrhea, bubble guts, brrr. That go on. Yeah, shit up self. Can't run, can't take no offense with the speed like lightning. No. Gunshot I go cut you down, man.
3 man jump out, Syrian shit. Boy, stand up and freeze, easy target. Come a low place where we don't left no trace. This Tyson where we left no face. Kel-Tech burst and you all vibrate. Life on the line, killer, but it's too late. Born too soon, now we call that fate. Ends bond down, whole team migrate. None of them.
Ends are go ball down, brother. We are burn them out. Everybody have to cut from here, so lift up, move, go away, vamush. Migrate.
Born too soon, now we call that fate. Ends bond down, whole team migrate.
Gone too soon, now we call that fate. Yeah, just meant to happen. You're gone too soon. Yeah, we not care. Yeah, just others fate.
Born too soon, now we call that fate. Ends bond down, whole team migrate. None of them no better than the Japanese K.
They're not bad like the Japanese K. No, they're not bad like the Japanese K, brother. When this a pit, the pit.
Them no bad like we kill people daily, dog.
Daily,
no care who see. We love send boy in a mug, in a cemetery. Cause we evil, we kill them season, and we got no reason. Shut up, pussy in a dark mouth, kill him and laugh out. Hey, hell gates all gone out, born evil, head boss friend ball out. In a bad like we, 6 them swing pan the ends daily.
6 them you swing for your ends them daily. Yeah. Cause we board pa our ends, not now going back our ends a year. We are gonna swing around pan your ends and wet it up. Burn out if you burn out. Run down if you run down. Yeah. Mash them up.
Friend ball out in a bad like we, 6 them swing pan the ends daily. Boy chop flat when me a wavy. Come a simple, everything crazy. Cause we love buzz gun, no we never lazy.
Big up Kman 6, big up Kman 6, big up SMG. Before me get another talking about the whole thing, yeah. Which one am I rich chopper Trini niggas them can sponsor me one of them bad chain there? Want some of them Trini gold there. Wish one of my niggas can sponsor me that. Just drop a message in my DM. You see me? Yeah. See me Instagram I saw. And yeah, I'm on my Instagram. Drop a message in the DM. You see me? Sponsor me a chain. And bad chain there. Yeah, one of them chain there. Yeah, bad. Anyway, back to the video. Bad. The rhythm bad. Big up the production team behind the one. I always have big up production team. Bad. No joke. West Bank Records. Big up yourself. Kman, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, did. And that one for me, clarity peak. Clarity make I hear everything what you say. Lots of guns in the video, but for some strange reason, I like it. Violent. Violent. But yeah, big up all of the Trini people them who has been supporting, subscribing, and following and all that. Big up on yourself, you see me? Let me know which other Trini song you want me react to, which other artists you want me react to in the comment section, or even in my DM, make a message me same way, and we'll go from there, so. You understand? But yeah, big up yourself once again, Kman. Big up production team. Big up all of the Trini people them. Bad song as usual. But this time I'm gonna leave the one still. If you enjoy the one and want to see more, Leave a like on the stream, subscribe around here if you're new, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Definitely? You sure? Drop a like on the video, 'cause I can't do it yet. Later. Bye.